Hey there, before you hit apply on that next job posting, pause for just 5 minutes, okay? Yes, just 5 minutes, because what you do in those 5 minutes can be the difference between getting an interview or getting ignored, okay? So today I'm going to walk you through a super quick, super powerful 5-minute resume check that can seriously boost your chances. Okay, let's do this. Look, I get it. You're applying for jobs, sending out resumes, and hoping something sticks, right? But here's the hard truth: recruiters are spending seconds on your resume, not minutes, seconds, right? So you want to make sure you pass their 3-second test and their 30-second scan. The 5-minute check is for anyone who's tech grad, entry level professional, or career switchers who wants to stand out without rewriting the whole resume from scratch. Okay, so let's start with our step number 1. Look at the top of your resume. What does it say? If it just says your name and contact details, you're missing out. Add a headline. Yes, that's a good one. Right below your name, something like aspiring cybersecurity analyst, CompTIA A plus or Security Plus certified, Python risk analyst enthusiast. So your skills, right? So this gives immediate context to who you are. It helps a recruiter say, okay, this person is relevant for the role. Spend 30 seconds writing or editing that headline, right? So that's step number 1. Now, moving on to step number 2. Pull up the job description of the role you're applying for. Now, scan your resume. Yeah, you have 2 things to each other. Do the words match? I'm talking about keywords like troubleshooting, SQL, um, project coordination, client onboarding. So these are what ATS, that is application tracking systems, look for, and so do humans. Okay, spend 1 minute adding 2 to 3 relevant phrases from the job description to your skills or experience section. Don't lie, just tweak the wording, okay? So, example for you: job says stakeholder management, and your resume says worked with different teams. So, change it to stakeholder collaboration across departments. Simple. Now, step number 3, but before that, a quick question. Are your bullet points all about what you did or the impact you made? Well, manage social media for the company, or increased Instagram engagement by 35% through targeted content strategy. So see the difference. Spend 2 minutes picking just one bullet under your most recent role and rewrite it to focus on the action you took, right? The result you created. Use numbers if you can. Even estimate would work. Step number 4, do this. Scroll through your resume quickly, like a recruiter would. Yeah, play that role play. Ask yourself, is it easy to read? Are there enough white spaces? Are headlines clear? Are all bullet points starting with action verbs like designed, built, collaborated? Also, make sure everything is aligned properly. If it looks messy to you, it looks messy to them. Spend 1 minute cleaning up spacing, bolding important words, aligning dates. It's all in the detail. Okay? Now, last step: read your resume top to bottom as if you are the recruiter again. Ask yourself, if I had 15 seconds, would I want to meet this person? If the answer's not a yes, make a small tweak. Sometimes it's changing the order of sections or adding one strong line about your latest project or achievement, right? So don't underestimate this final check. Trust your gut. Quick recap for your 5-minute resume check. Number 1, add a strong, specific headline under your name. Number 2, mirror 2 to 3 keywords from the job description. Number 3, rewrite one bullet to show impact, not just task. Number 4, do a visual formatting check for clarity and structure. Number 5, give it a gut check. Would we want to hire you? Simple, quick, Powerful. Now, here's your bonus tip. Save two versions of your resume, okay? One master copy with all your achievements and details, and one job specific version. You tweak each time using this 5-minute check. It saves you so much time in the long run. Trust me. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more quick real world tips like this to help you plan your dream job in tech, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. So I'll see you in the next one.